Why do you think this is the best project that you said yes to after Provinciano? How is it like working with the cast? Especially yung bonding yung tatlo, si Cal at si Sir Joel.
Well, unang-una gusto kong magpasalamat sa Dreamscape, no? Kasi after 2 years of working with Coco sa Provinciano, medyo nakapagpahinga ako ng more than a year. And usually kasi iikot ka sa ibang units, but I was very honored na naipatawag ako ni Sir Deo. And dun po sa mga nandito, hindi lang po ninyo siguro alam that this is the last show na bigyan ng green light ni Sir Deo. So this is really very special, not just to me, but to the whole family, Pamilya Sagrado. Gaya po ng sinabi ko, hindi ho ako mapapagod to say na it is a privilege and it is my honor to share a frame in this project with some of the industry's greats and very well respected po na mga aktor sa industriya. Mahihiya kang hindi maging professional. And I think marami, hindi lang yung mga baguhan ang natututo at nai-inspire, kundi aaminin ko na po, yung mga ate sa industriya na kagaya ko. Syempre nakaka-inspire to work dahil everyone is ready, lahat po handa, lahat pinag-aralan yung script. And I guess kapag medyo tumagal ka na sa industriya, kapag ka-roles, medyo marami ka ng mga roles na nagawa, pero yung collaboration, that is what makes it unique. And this is the first time na napagsama-sama kaming lahat, which is why I think this project is very special and one of the best shows that I've done.
Thank you, Shaina. Before I call in si Jay, okay.
Mahirap? Hindi. Opposite ng mahirap katrabaho.
Really?
Kung ano po yung napanood ninyo kanina, actually, no acting yun. Di ba usually kapag magsisimula ka ng isang proyekto, ini-effort mo talaga na magkaroon kayo ng chemistry, mas lalo na kung isa kayong pamilya. But kasi si Kyle, I worked with him months before sa It's Your Lucky Day. So nagkaroon na kami ng bond doon. Kami naman ni Tatay Joel, I've known him since, huwag na po natin dalhin doon. Nagkasama rin po kami sa Provinciano. So, yun po, effortless and yes, yun yung, hindi ko ma-describe, baka yun yung magic, yun yung chemistry na hinahanap nila na I'm very fortunate na hindi ko kailangang trabahuhin talaga.
Organic na lang.
Oo, and also dahil they're very generous actors, kapag nasa harapan kami ng camera, hindi mahirap din na magbigay kasi sobra silang generous na magbigay as co-actors. Magreklamo ka pa ba? Hindi Tatay Joel ang kasama mo sa eksena at si Kyle. So yun po. So, doing our scenes, hindi siya naging mahirap. Definitely. And yun, very heartwarming. Kagaya po ng napanood ninyo. Ganon din po kami, pati sa likod ng camera.
Alright. Thank you, Shaina.
Thank you.
Last